Good day to everyone, and thank you for tuning in. By the way, this is Ian,
And I'm Jen.
and we're from Healthwise. Yeah. So what we're going to show you today are 3 simple recipes that are very easy to prepare, that are available in your regular groceries. So there's no reason for us not to be able to buy any of the ingredients that we have here. By the way, what is our first recipe today?
Okay, ang ating first recipe for today is organic quinoa salad.
Sounds delicious.
Yes. Kung wala kayong quinoa, you can replace it with any seeds or nuts like cashew, or if you don't have allergies in peanuts, you can use peanuts and other nuts that you can use in alternative for quinoa. Okay, the ingredients are we have lettuce. Ito, mabibili nyo ito sa market, sa grocery. Then we have carrots, cucumber, of course the quinoa. Then we have apple, orange. Yung orange, you can replace it with mangoes or any fruit. And then we have brown sugar, or you can use honey. For those who are vegan, you can use other alternative sweetener na mas healthy. But right now we're gonna use brown sugar and of course the mustard.
Yeah. So by the way, the quinoa seeds are pre-cooked, right?
Yes, this is pre-cooked.
And that's the only one that is cooked amongst all the ingredients. Tama. Okay, good. Okay. So what is our first step?
Of course, we have to get this lettuce. Yan. Actually, you just have to mix it all together. That's how easy it is.
What's the next after lettuce?
Okay, so you can add this cucumber
Alright, let's put it all in.
and carrots
Alright, that's all your carrots right there.
and apples.
Apples. An apple a day keeps the doctor away.
Yes. So, ayan. You can mix it together.
So let's put all the ingredients then, if we're just gonna mix it all. How about the quinoa seeds?
Yes, you can
right?
use
Okay.
quinoa na and
Just put all the ingredients in there. Dump it all in your bowl. Alright, what's next?
I think we can mix it first
Okay.
with
Let's put the mustard, I guess, and the okay. Alright.
actually you can mix it first dito.
Okay, so let's
you
put
can
the
use that procedure.
okay, how about the sugar syrup? Are we going to put that in?
Yes. Okay.
Alright. Alright. Okay. So let's then start mixing it up. Ayan. Alright, so I think we could put our fruits now.
Okay. This one. You can use other fruits. We usually use mangoes instead of oranges. Pero masarap din yung oranges.
Then perhaps we could squeeze an orange just to add that tangy taste, to add more flavor. Ayan. Alright. Alright, so I guess this is all ready and set, right? So now time for tasting our orange organic quinoa salad. Ayan. Alright. So, then let's put
Naku,
the fruit.
napakasarap nito. This is very delicious and nutritious.
Right. Alright, so I think we can try this.
I need fork to taste this. So yan, there are a lot of vitamins, minerals that you can get from this salad. Of course, yung salad naman is very, very nutritious and delicious. And very easy to prepare. And you can just get it from the market and from the grocery. near you, then yun, ma-enjoy nyo. You will really enjoy this meal.
Right.
The second recipe that we're going to show you today is actually a juice, green leafy juice or green juice. Okay, there are a lot of benefits of green leafy vegetables. Nandyan yung, it is rich in vitamin A, B, C, E, and K. Also magnesium, potassium, and of course calcium. There are a lot of benefits. Actually, green leafy vegetables should be part of your daily meal. So at least 1 cup a day. But for our green juice, we will be using spinach and parsley. Then we have petchay and cucumber, of course lemon juice, and sweetener. You can use honey. If you're vegan, you can use brown sugar or any alternative sweetener na healthier. Of course, water and ice. Ayan. So, shall we start?
Sure.
Okay, first we're going to put the ice. Why ice first? Bakit ice, Mahal?
Ice, I think, will allow you to have a very good blend of your green juice. Because if you're going to put the leafy vegetables first, the tendency is your greens wouldn't blend well. So right now we have to put the ice first so that the ice will be crushed.
Okay, then we put the spinach. Okay, the ice first, then the spinach. Then we're gonna put the parsley. Okay, yeah. And then a little bit of petchay. Okay. So you can use any greens that is available. Nasa garden nyo or sa grocery or sa supermarket, no? You can use also cucumber. This will add more flavor and taste. Ayan. Okay, then you put lemon. This is equivalent to 1 lemon. Okay, there. And you can put the sweetener and of course the water. Then you have to blend it. It's so simple.
Very simple.
Ayan. Okay, now then it's ready.
Ready for
Very
drinking.
easy.
Again, you could get your ingredients on your regular grocery stores. It's just very easy to prepare, and it's not going to take you so much time. But the best part is you can have your regular green juice any time of the day or the week. So it just took us how much time? Just a few
It's only a
minutes.
few minutes. Okay, our third recipe for today is garlic and olive pasta.
Yeah, it's very easy to do. We just have very simple ingredients. In fact, we just have salt. Okay, here we're using Himalayan salt, but it's up to you if you want to use regular rock salt or any salt that you wish. We of course going to use olive oil. Okay, and of course garlic, one of the main ingredients that we will be using for this pasta. Same was true with green and black olives. We've used green and black olives because we wanted to make sure that we can have a variety of colors. And of course, your regular pastas, you could use fusilli in this case.
You can use
or penne pasta,
yes, or spaghetti pasta.
Yeah, any pasta will do and will work. And of course, pepper, just to taste. You know, pepper. Okay, right. So let's start the cooking. Okay, let me just open the stove, regulate the heat. All right. So we're going to put first, of course, the oil.
Yeah. actually, there are a lot of nutrition or benefits, health benefits in olive and of course in garlic. In olive, it is rich in vitamin E and powerful antioxidants. Ayan. So, ayan, we already put the
We will
garlic.
saute the garlic until golden brown. Okay. Okay, let's regulate our heat to make sure that we will burn our garlic. It's crucial and important that we do not burn our garlic. Yeah. Right?
This is very easy and very, very simple.
Very easy, simple, and it's just gonna take a few minutes again just to prepare this dish.
Okay, garlic is very good for the heart,
Mhm.
for high blood pressure. It is proven already that it cures high blood pressure, hypertension.
Yes. Yeah. So we just make our garlic a little bit golden brown, just right. Okay. Yeah. So again, you could use any pasta that you wish to use. Like you could use angel hair pasta, you could use fusilli, you can use macaroni or pasta, whatever pasta that you wanted. That would really work. Okay, now our garlic is golden brown, so let's
You can
put
put the pasta already.
let's put the pasta in.
Mhm.
All right. So let's dump all the pasta in there. That's right. All right, and we mix. That's right. So let's regulate the heat. Okay, and then add oil occasionally just to make sure that we regulate our and the oil. Yeah. So that we just have to mix it all together. Right. Mix it all together. Okay. Then let's mix up the the salt first. The salt. So you could dash the salt depending on the taste or the season of how you just wanted much salt. So it's just up to you of how much salt you wish. And of course we all have different taste buds in the first place. So we could use a little bit of salt there. All right. And of course we're gonna put our pepper first. Pepper.
Okay.
Yeah. Okay. Okay. So let's put pepper. Yeah. All right. So we just.
Wow. Okay. And then mix it again.
Mix. And then we can put the olives this time.
Olives, okay.
Put all the olives. That's right.
What I said a while ago, the benefits of olive is rich in vitamin E and powerful antioxidants, and also good for the heart. And it also helps prevent osteoporosis and cancer.
Wow. So much benefits, so much health benefits out of olive. So we use olive oil and then we use real olives. And I think this is almost done.
You can put a little bit of salt.
Mm-hmm.
So it depends on your taste.
Yeah. Okay, that's good enough. We have our garlic olive pasta right there. See, we used black and green olives because we wanted to add a little more color in our pasta, so it's not that plain or boring, you know.
I think we can turn off the heat
Yeah,
now.
turn off the heat now. That's right now.
Because for the oil, it should be less.
I could smell the garlic flavor and the olives all together.
Okay, thank you again for watching. So we have prepared simple dishes for you, and you can prepare it at home, and it's very easy.